नहीं, जहाँ पे जाना है वो बंद हुई
यार। ये कैसे टाइम पे आए हैं? मोनेस्ट्री भी बंद है रत्न।
Since many places were closed in McLeodganj due to the pandemic, we started exploring the vibrant Tibet market for its timeless souvenirs, Bhagsunak village and its markets for shopping, and the funky cafes of McLeodganj. The first place we visited was Bhagsunak temple, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is famous for its rustic architecture. To make the most of this place, just leisurely stroll through the temple to enjoy its beauty and serenity. The scenic beauty of the surroundings makes this temple one of the most significant places in Dharamshala and McLeodganj. There is also a big pool right at the center of temple premises, which is used by Hindu pilgrims to take a holy dip. After Bhagsunak temple, we went to Shiva Cafe, but just before that, we filled ourselves up with delicious momos and thupkas at one of the local shops at Bhagsunak. Since Shiva Cafe sits on top of the Bhagsunak waterfall, it's only accessible after a steep walk uphill. It will take you about 25 to 30 minutes to reach the cafe, but it took us more than an hour as we stopped for pictures and videos in between. We also hopped from one cafe to another just to absorb the chill and hippie vibe of the place. If you come to McLeodganj in summer, you can enjoy the mesmerizing views of Bhagsunak waterfall and also pay a visit to the waterfall to enjoy its beauty in its full glory. However, in winters, you have the advantage of the cold weather, so you won't sweat buckets while headed to Shiva Cafe, and definitely enjoy this easy peasy trek alongside the scenic views. Tucked far away from the hustle and bustle, Shiva Cafe is exceptionally photogenic and hippie. Not only the cafe is utterly peaceful and well adorned, but it is also made with all things natural, and we quite love that part. After having delicious snacks and enjoying our time at Shiva Cafe, we went back to McLeodgan's famous Tibet market for our shopping haul. I'm not much of a shopper, especially at tourist destinations, but the Tibet market of McLeodganj has some super cool winter clothing stuff which you can't avoid if you travel to mountains often. Here, you'll get the best and the most colorful variety of woolen scarves, mojeries, caps, headbands, socks, and a lot more.
क्या बोला हमें तो तूने सुना नहीं अभी तूने कुछ बोला अभी
We trackers need such things.
Apart from woolen shopping, this colorful market of McLeodganj offers a huge variety of Tibetan souvenirs and attractive decorative pieces which are quite peculiar to this place. You'll get the best variety of Buddha idols, wind chimes, prayer wheels, Tibetan musical instruments like singing bowls and happy drums.
सिंगल वड्डी आती है जिहदे च लैंग्वेज लिखी
The shopping at the Tibet market completely exhausted us and made us famished. So we hawked on Meklo's famous fried momos, noodles, thupkas at one of the local restaurants. And guys, don't leave McLeodganj without trying the authentic Tibetan thali at the Tibet Kitchen. Trust me, you won't regret this.